So hi guys, in this video we are gonna be installing the Pixel Extended Android 12 ROM. So you need to be in the MIUI 12.5, 12.5.5 or the newer version. Remove all your Google accounts, remove your Me account, and remove all password and security. Then put your phone to fast boot mode. Just press volume down and power button for a long time, so your phone will automatically reboot to fast boot mode. Okay, then in your PC, that's okay. Here we are in the PC, and you need to be having these three files. That is the boot image, the vendor image, and the ROM zip. The boot image and vendor image is required because, as per the developer's instructions, we need to be flashing the ROM from the Pixel Experience recovery. So now open your CMD, type fastboot devices, and check if your device is detected, and paste the first command, fastboot flash boot image, and after the thing gets flashed, okay, the spelling is wrong. Yeah, now enter standing boot, wait for that. Okay, it's done. Now copy paste the fastboot flash vendor and paste it in your CMD and press enter. Yeah, that's done. Now in your PC, type adb sideload and drag and drop the Pixel Experience zip file and wait. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, now that's all. After flashing the two files, you can reboot to recovery by pressing power volume down and volume up and power button. Wait for the ROM to reboot to Pixel Experience recovery. Now click on apply update from ADB. Your phone will be in ADB sideload mode. Now in your PC. Now we have given sideload and the ROM will get flashed. It says serving and the ROM will get flashed. Yeah, now it's done, 47%. Now you can click on, you can just factory reset the data, wipe data, then factory reset data. Yeah, it's complete, and now you can reboot the system. Yeah, you can see the Google boot animation. The first boot will take longer, so please wait. Oh yeah, we have come. So let me just set up. Okay, here we are to the ROM. Setup is complete, and Android version is 12, and currently the extended version is beta. Yeah, you can see that the A12 ROM. If you want to root this ROM, then install TWRP and then swipe, just flash the Magisk APK and TWRP. That's all. So thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.